Assalamualaikum. Today in this vlog I will show you my quarantine journey when I arrived here in Qatar. That's my first quarantine experience. I spent 4 days in quarantine. In this vlog I will show you how was the hotel, how was the room, the food I got there, how I spent my days there. All you can see in this vlog. So let's watch the vlog. The journey starts when I arrived at Hamad International Airport, Doha, Qatar. After clearing all my immigration process, I took a taxi from the airport to the hotel. The ride was nice and comfortable. It took me around 25 minutes to reach my hotel from the airport. During my ride, I enjoyed the beautiful skyline of Doha. Finally, I arrived at my hotel. That's my room. And now I'll show you the room. I'm getting inside the room. Now I am putting the card inside and lights are on. As you can see, it lights up. That's the washroom and that's the room. That's the mirror. I'm making the video. That's the main door and you can see that's the washroom here. That's the bathtub. That's where you can hang your clothes. That's the big LCD. Coffee. That's the window and that's the bed. The room is very nice, good. Some wallpaper is there. Now you can see the full wide view of the room. You can see that room is clean and comfortable. All the facilities are there in the room. That's you can see the outside view from the window of my room. There's a car parking down there and the hotel building. Nothing special, just a regular structure, hotel building and the car parking. Now I will show you the food I was served during my quarantine. That's the breakfast that I am showing you. There's one juice and some fruits. And then they have the spoon and they have bread and potatoes, some dish of potato and the bread. That's all I got in my breakfast during quarantine. During quarantine you can't go outside of your room. They hang the food outside of the door of your room and knock the door. You will pick up the food from the door. Now you will see what I was served during my lunch and dinner. As you can see, the chicken rice with some pickle and some little sweet dish. Now after completing my quarantine, I am finally free to go outside. That's all from today's vlog. In the next vlog, I will show you the best places to visit in Qatar. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get update about my new vlog.